Grill is heating up. I'm gonna make my meat mixture right away here. 1 onion in the food processor with 1 piece of toast. I've got a bunch of parsley in here. I've got salt and 2 cloves of garlic. Next, I'm gonna add some spices. Sumac, just a pinch if you have it. About a teaspoon of this. 1 pinch of cardamom. And a big shake of cumin. Okay, go ahead and blitz that. And to this, I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now you can use 1 pound of ground beef and half a pound of ground lamb or pork if you want, or chicken or turkey. But today I'm just gonna use 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I've got my meat kind of pressed onto the skewers all along there. I've got about 4 thick ones here. They're about 1 inch tall. And yeah, with that, I've got the zucchini that I've just cut in half, 1 half onion, 2 tomatoes on the vine. I just tossed them with a little olive oil and salt, and these are all gonna go hit the grill. These beef koftas are probably gonna take 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and the vegetables until they're nice and grilled and tender. Get it right, you should have something beautiful and grilled that looks like this. Some nice vegetables to accompany. I'm just gonna slice these up and serve them in a little tortilla, but they would be great beside rice or even just on their own like so. Beauties.